also move on to get you our next breaking update right now. There is a huge storm on Rahul Gandhi's safe stand. The BJP President JP Nadda has hit back at Rahul Gandhi. Listen in how.
फूट डालो राजनीति करने की बात कर रहे हैं। आज अभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे और मोदी जी ने कहा एक है तो सेफ है। अरे मोदी जी का एक है सेफ है का मतलब है एकता है तो हम सब सुरक्षित हैं, सबको साथ लेकर के चल रहे हैं। लेकिन तुम जब बोलते हो एक है तो सेफ है तो तुम्हारे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अगाड़ी के साथी भी नहीं होते, तुम एक ही होते हो और एक होते हो तो ही सेफ होते हो। इस बात को समझ लेना चाहिए।
Let's also get in our colleague Nilesh, who's joining us live. He's been tracking that story. So, you know, JP Nadda there, Nilesh, wanting to tell Rahul Gandhi that you are alone. Even your allies don't trust you. The allies keep ditching you. The allies have a zero vote of confidence. But it really does come down to what Rahul Gandhi is fighting for. What is this battle as far as the Congress is concerned? And, you know, do we hear similar sentiments from Uddhav Thackeray, from Sharad Pawar?
Well, for long, the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance partners, that is Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar, have been stating that how the center-led BJP government sitting with the Mahayuti alliance is somewhat looting the state of Maharashtra, and this was symbolically presented today by Rahul Gandhi. And now we can see senior leader from the BJP, that is JP Nadda, while addressing a press conference, goes on stating that how, though Rahul Gandhi have been claiming that all is well in the Mahavikas Aghadi, all leaders are intact. Why is that when a senior leader like Rahul Gandhi is briefing in the media, he is seen alone? So that is a counter attack currently by JP Nadda, launched by JP Nadda, stating that how Rahul Gandhi himself is not very much influential within the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance partners also, because Rahul Gandhi in a very manner presented the locker, the safe, and somewhat trolled the slogan of Ek Hai to Safe Hai by stating that this is the safe, this is the locker that PM Modi is talking about. And when he opens that locker, he presents picture of an industrialist with PM Modi along with the map of Dharavi, which is currently the target of Mahavikas Aghadi leaders who are constantly hitting out at the Mahayuti alliance partners, calling that how a land parcel has been given out to the one of the industrialists, all because they are trying to loot Maharashtra. Rahul Gandhi goes on stating that how in previous months various industries, various job opportunities have been shifted out of Maharashtra. So that is the last arsenal currently being used by Mahavikas Aghadi leaders, taking an attack from the Mahayuti onto the basis of constitution and support extended by Muslim Personal Law Board. This comes as last option or last arsenal used by Rahul Gandhi. Will it work? How deeper will its impact will be on Mumbaikars or the Maharashtrians? The voters of Maharashtra will be in effect on 23rd of November.
Okay, you know, Nilesh, I think that's a good point that you do raise. Please stay with us, because the problem is just not limited to the hypocrisy, you know, of the Congress's own camp. On one side, you have leaders like Revanth Reddy doing business with, you know, Gautam Adani, multiple Congress netas doing that. And as Rahul Gandhi is mocking the Prime Minister's Ek Hai to Safe Hai page, he decided not to respond to a direct question on the All India Muslim Personal Law Board spokesperson Sajid Nomani's open call, remember, to boycott those who vote for the BJP. This is what he said about a few hours earlier. Now, do remember, he had earlier also declared support for the Mahavikas Aghadi on all the 269 seats of the 288 total seats here. And the BJP has called this the proof of vote jihad. And before I tell you what happened when Rahul Gandhi was asked that very specific direct question, I want to say good afternoon to Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP, who's also with us on the phone line. Sirsa Saab, thank you for your time here on Times Now. Now, how would you want to respond to what's going on? You know, it's the battle of narratives. The Prime Minister, Yogi Adityanath, have said, Ek hai to safe hai. But on the other side, for Rahul Gandhi, Ek hai to safe hai is, you know, two posters coming out of the safe. On one, he has the Dharavi project, where the allegation is that the land is getting snatched from the local Mumbaikars. And on the other hand is the picture of Prime Minister Modi and Gautam Adani.
See, there is one thing is very clear, that Rahul Gandhi has no agenda left with me. the same Adani gets project in Rajasthan when the Congress government was there. The same Adani signed an agreement and gets a project in Telangana when the Congress government is there. It is not that back, just 2 months back. So one thing is clear, because he has no agenda left with him. हमारा एक और सेफ बड़ा क्लियर कि हम एक हैं, एक देश सेफ है, एक ही देश को रहना है. One thing is clear, but when it comes to the Rahul Gandhi, for him एक and safe is means a particular community and a particular party. कि हम ही एक हैं तो ही सेफ हैं, एक गांधी परिवार है तो ही सेफ है, और एक कम्युनिटी जिनके पीछे वोट, the one vote which they are after like anything, they only consider that community एक with them, and then they feel that we are safe because that community stands with them. So one thing is clear for our Prime Minister, for our BJP, एक means a country, one nation, everything should be one community, there should be no religion biased. But for Rahul Gandhi, there is a one particular religion, one particular person, and that is a Gandhi family. For him, it's a total different. For ek hai to safe hai, and the Prime Minister speaks, and when Rahul Gandhi speaks, so there's a totally different things when those people speak about it.
Okay, Sirsa Saab, thank you for your time and your perspective on that story. And before we move ahead, let's listen into what happened when Rahul Gandhi, remember, was asked that specific question on the All India Muslim Personal Law Board going all out into politics and saying, vote for the MBA.
देवेंद्र फडणवीस बोल रहे हैं कि ये धर्मयुद्ध अभी खेलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सज्जाद लोमानी जो मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड के प्रवक्ता है, उनकी एक ऑडियो क्लिप.
देखिए बीजेपी को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने की आदत है. मैंने आपसे कहा कि मेन मुद्दा रोजगार का है, उसके बाद मैंने आपको ये.
So clearly not wanting to get into that question, but what really has started this, Ek Hai to Safe Hai campaign? The Prime Minister at multiple, remember, of his rallies, both in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, has reiterated this pitch, and he has said time and again, it's important for us as a country to stay one.
आपको याद रखना है, एक है तो सेफ है, एक है तो